How to check Wi-Fi history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can view all your known Wi-Fi networks over here. If you want to delete any network from here, then hold that network and swipe left. And then, tap on the Delete button beside. After that, tap on the icon beside any network as shown. You can view and edit the network information from here, such as the password, Wi-Fi address, and more. Following these steps, you can easily check Wi-Fi history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.